Equals, is your Thermomix TM5 not starting at all? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26 in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue usually arises from a faulty closure system, which prevents the device from powering up. We can replace the closure mechanism and ensure everything is working smoothly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.